Hello, my dear students. A very good morning to all of you. Today, I welcome the students of Standard 8th to the online session of computers. In the previous class, we were studying about how to add a background image to your HTML document. So now we will move further to the another topic or the another concept of adding the comments in your web page. So first of all, let me explain you why the comments are used, because the comment helps you to understand and modify the code easily. For example, if you are typing something, later on if you forgot that you have created the web page about what, then the comment will help you to understand and modify the code easily. It means you can get it very easily that you have written your code about this concept or about this point. Okay, so you can add a comment in an HTML program using the starting comment tag, and the comment tag is used for the information not to be displayed on the web page. It means that whatever you are writing in the comment will not be displayed by any of the browser as an output. It is just for the knowledge of the user or the designer to let him or her know that what he or her have written about. Okay, so what she have written about. Any information written between the starting comment and the ending comment tags will be treated as a comment and will not be considered for processing. It means that the comment tag, whatever we are writing inside the comment tag, will not be go for processing because it is not needed to get it in the output. So you can also use angular bracket, exclamation sign, dash and dash angular bracket close symbol in the place of comment. It means there are two options to write the comment. First, you can write with the comment starting and comment ending tag, and the second is you can write using the exclamation sign, dash, dash and angular bracket closed. Okay, so the following program illustrates the inclusion of comments in the HTML code. So let us now see the simple HTML code, how to add the comment. Okay, so HTML head, title, soil erosion, title close, head close, body tag is started. Now we are writing the comment. In the comment static tag, it is written that this is a web page on soil erosion. Comment tag is closed. Now the another way to write the comment is given, that is using the exclamation sign and dash, written by a student. So you can see that the two comments are given in the two different ways. Then the heading is given soil erosion. In paragraph is written the removal of the soil by natural agents such as rain, rivers and strong winds is known as soil erosion. Paragraph tag, body tag, HTML tag is closed. Now let us run this program. We will see the output as shown in the figure 2.5. So you can see that the comment is not displayed in the output, only the heading which we have written in the H1, that is soil erosion, and the paragraph which we have written in the P tag is displayed. Okay, so that is why we are writing the comment which can be only used by the designer of the web page. It will not be displayed to any other users. Okay, so now let us move to the another concept of designing the forms. Why it is needed to design the form? We can see that we are designing various forms, like when you are registering for any website, one registration form you will get in which the website will ask the details about you, about the user. So the form is very user friendly, attractive and interactive web page in HTML. It will attract the user. It means that you will also get the feedback from the user and you will also get the details from the user. So the registration form is required to directly interact with the user who are visiting the website. So the designing the form is a method of creating a user friendly, attractive and interactive web page in HTML. The forms are used to accept the input from the user. They not only affect the display but also the reader to send back to the server. It means that who are reading the information should read accordingly and should give his or her feedback or the information or the details about his or her back to the server. No user interaction is possible before the introduction of forms. The forms are used for the commercial purposes like accepting the orders from the customers or taking their feedbacks. Okay, so most probably the forms are used in the commercial website. It is used for the commercial purposes. A form controls what you create on a web page, which can be used by the internet user to enter the data. The form includes checkboxes, radio button, list, etc. It means how can you get the data for this. So for example, if you want to get the name, want to get the email ID, the password, the mobile number, gender, hobbies, then how it is possible. A form have the collection of the elements like checkbox, radio button, list, text field, password field. Okay, so this all elements help to get the information or the details of the user. So the form control or contain all the elements which is used to create a web page in from which a user can give his or her details. Okay, so now let us move forward to the attributes or to the tags of you which can be used while creating the form. First is form and input tags. The form tag is used to define the form. It means, while like body tag, everything which you want to mention like heading, bold, italic, underline, paragraph is written in the body tag. In the same way, if you want to create the form, then all the other tags should be written in the form tag. Therefore, the form tag is used to define the main form. Now the input tag allows the users to enter the information in a form using text field, drop down menus, radio button, checkboxes, etc. The another tab is input tab. The input tab contain all the other elements. It means it allows the user to enter the information in the form using various elements like radio button, checkboxes, text field, password field, drop down menu, etc. Okay, so now let us move forward to the types of input tags. It means which tags are available in the input tag. The very first tag is text and password fields. Text field is a data entry field which can be used when you want the user to type letters, numbers, etc. in the form. It means when you want to write anything, for example first name, then you have to write your first name, Gmail ID or anything else, then the text field is used which will help you to type letters, numbers and other symbols in the form. The following command defines a one line input field that user can use to enter the text. Okay, so how we can create a text field? Input type is equal to, in double inverted commas, text slash and angular bracket closed. This is how we can create the text field. Second is password field. The password field is used to type every text in the form of asterisks, in the form of symbols. For example, if you are typing the password of your email ID, then you can see that when you type the password in the computer screen or in the password text field, you will find that asterisk sign or dot sign is coming. Why it is coming? Because for security reasons, the person beside you could not get your password and could not hack any important information of you. Therefore, the password field is required for the security purpose, so that no one can see your password except you. Okay, so no one will be able to see your password. Instead of the text which you are writing, the asterisk sign will be displayed. So how we can add the text field and the password field in your HTML page? Let us see with a simple example. Starting with HTML body form. First name, it means first you have to write the name of the person. Input type is equal to double inverted comma text. Name of the text field is first name slash angular bracket close and break line to get the new line. So first you are creating a label of first name. It means a person have to write his or her first name. Then input what you are creating, the text field. The name of the text field is first name. Okay. Second, last name. Input type is equal to text. Name is equal to last name slash angular bracket close and br. Now you are creating the next text field for writing the last name. So the name of the text field will be last name and br will break the line and will give you the new line. Then user ID. It means you have to write your Gmail ID. Input type is equal to again text. To create a text field, the name of the text field will be username slash angular bracket close br. Now password. So password, for password you have to create a password field. Input type is equal to double inverted commas password and the name of that password field will be pwd. double inverted comma close, slash and angular bracket close. The form, body, HTML, everything is closed. Now when you will run this program, what will display to you? Let us see the figure 2.7 to see the output. Here the program is run in the browser Internet Explorer. First name, the user will type his or her name. Here he have written Ashok. Last name Arora, user ID Ashok Arora, and password whatever he have written will be shown in the dot or asterisk sign. Okay, so this is how you can create the text and the password field in your HTML page. Other also input tags are available, for example text area, checkboxes, radio buttons, and much more. About that we will study in our next session. For now, bye bye, have a great day ahead.